Bizarre and weird discovery about female nature. Recent study published in Personality and Individual Differences revealed that highly competitive women are more inclined to recommend shorter haircuts to female friends. But why? Let me explain. Imagine this. In a study, 450 women were asked about what kind of haircuts they'd recommend in different situations. It turns out some women want to level the playing field. Therefore, they would often tell women who looked similar to them to chop off the most hair, almost like they're in a competition. This research provides insights into how women may engage in subtle ways to damage each other's reputations or undermine one another without any direct threat.